Hey Robert, I want to take a second and go through this problem with you. So what you want to do is we want to go ahead and take the log of both sides. So we're going to start by taking the log of 4 to the 7x plus 2 equals log of 5 to the x. And then what we can do here, we can take what's up in the exponent, and we know we can bring that down front. So what we're going to have after that is we can bring that 7x plus 2 down front. We have this log of 4 equals x log of 5, right? So what happens is those exponents came down in front. And you see that normally when we distribute, something's written up front, but you can see we're going to need to take that log base 4 and we need to undo those parentheses. So we're going to have 7x log 4 plus 2 log 4 equals x log 5. And I'm going to go ahead and underline. You see we got an x term here and we got an x term here. So what I'm going to need to do is I need to get both of my x terms on the same side. So I'm going to subtract 7x log 4. Let me get rid of this line. And we're going to also subtract 7x log 4 here as well. Now, these logs are not the same thing, are they? You can see that I have a log of 5 and a log of 4. We can't subtract those two. So we're just going to go ahead and write those next to each other. These cancel out over here, and we get 2 log 4 equals x log 5 minus 7x log 4. And then what we're going to do right now is we're going to go ahead and we are going to factor an x out of this right-hand side. You see these each have an x in common. So we're going to take an x out, and what's going to be left there is log 5 minus 7 log 4. And then the right-hand side stays the same, right? We still have 2 log 4. And now I divide both sides, log 5 minus 7 log 4. Divide this by log 5 minus 7 log 4. These cancel out, and so that's my final answer. We're going to have 2 log 4. Again, when I put this in the calculator, I'm going to go ahead and make sure I have parentheses around the numerator and also parentheses around the denominator. So we have log 5 minus 7 log 4 here equals x. And then you're going to type that whole ugly thing in the calculator and get a decimal approximation.